Hello once again. Now in this video, which might be one of our last videos, we're going to find the area of triangles. What a fitting way to go out and end our wonderful year of Algebra 2 together. So, in this video we're going to look at the area of a triangle. Normally you've learned that the area of a triangle is found by taking 1/2 times the base times the height, or base times height divided by 2, or some other way of remembering the formula that finds you the area of a triangle. So, if I have a triangle like the one that you see right here, and I want to find the area of this triangle, it'd probably be safe to say that we could take 1/2 times the base times the height. But wait! We don't know what the height is, do we? Now, I want you to think about something right here. If I were to draw a line like this, boop, that'd be the height of the triangle. Any arguments? I didn't think so. Now, if I call that the height of the triangle, see what I've just done? It's perpendicular to this, so it's going to be a 90-degree angle right here. This angle right here is angle A. Now, if I wanted to find what h, the height of my triangle, is, well, I could use sine to do that, right? The sine of this angle, A, is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So it'd be h over c equals the sine of A. Or, if I multiply both sides by c, I'd end up with this. H is equal to c times the sine of A. Just like that. Now, if I was going to take or find the area of this triangle, the area of the triangle would be equal to 1/2 times the base, which I've decided is side B. So 1/2 times the base, which happens to be B, times the height. Well, the height is the same as C times the sine of A. So I don't want to just separate that and take C times the sine of A. So 1/2 BC times the sine of A would be a formula that would find me the area of this triangle. Now notice 1/2 BC times the sine of A is right here. So these three area formulas right here, they're not magic. They're just a little bit of geometry and trigonometry and smarts put together in a formula. But a lot of you like formulas, so here you go. If you want to have a formula for finding the area of a triangle, if you know all three sides, you could use this formula. Now, you got to know all three sides and you got to know an angle. But could you find an angle using perhaps the law of cosines? Yeah, you could probably do that. So that would be, again, a formula for finding the area of a triangle. It's not rocket science. It's just a little bit of geometry. I think that we should now try it with an example. So in this example, we've got a biology type of problem. Black-necked stilts are birds that must look like this. That's why there's a picture of them right there. That live throughout Florida, a wonderful place if you like it to be hot and messy, and surrounding areas, but breed mostly in the triangular region shown on the map. Find the area of this region. First of all, let me move my face so you can see what it looks like. All right, we've got two sides and we've got an included angle, and we're supposed to find the area of this region. Well, I'll tell you what, it's as easy as using any one of these formulas. So to find the area of that region, it is as simple as taking, to find the area, all I got to do is take 1/2 times the two sides that I know, which happen to be 125 and 223. There we go. Times the sine of the included angle, the one that's in between them, which happens to be 54.2 degrees. Okay? 1/2 times 125 times 223 times the sine of 54.2 degrees. All right. And if we type that into a calculator, it is going to give us the answer that we need. So let's do that right now. Up comes the calculator. We're going to take 1/2. I'm going to type in as 0.5 because I'm lazy. 0.5 times 125 times 223. Close those parentheses, times the sine of, what was it, 54.2 degrees? It sure was. 54.2 degrees. Close those parentheses, hit enter. And we get this. Man, that's a big number, but that's okay. 11,304. And we'll just round it off at that. 11,304. Now, can we get a label for this, perhaps? Well, This is an area of Florida where these black-necked stilts grow. Not quite as great as ducks, but you know, we make do. And we're doing this measurement in miles. So since it's an area, that's going to be 11,304 or so square miles when we're all done with them. So there's the area of a triangle using our formulas that we've got right here. Now, in the next video, we're going to look at area of a triangle using a slightly different rule, all right? Should be good stuff.